Hi everyone, as this is one of the most requested tutorials on my Instagram, today I partnered with Maven Beauty in order to show you how to achieve it. You always want to start by taking care of your skin, so this is why I'm applying an eye cream and a moisturizer all over the face. And of course, don't forget about lip care. Here I'm applying a lip mask that will hydrate the lips until I finish with the makeup. Next step is primer, of course, because we want our makeup to last longer and look flawless. I'm applying a lightweight base and concealer because I want the skin to look flawless but very natural at the same time. And some liquid blush because we all want to look fresh and youthful. You already know how much I love highlighter, so next step is of course highlighter, and I'm not setting the face yet because I want that highlighter to stick and to look blinding. I'm applying this highlighter on top of the cheekbones, on the nose bridge and the nose tip, in the inner corners of the eyes, underneath the brow and above the brow as well. Next step is just setting everything with a little bit of powder, adding a little bit more blush and adding of course some warmth to the skin using a bronzer. Add the same bronzer on your nose as well for that sun-kissed look. The eyes are going to be very easy so that everybody can achieve this look. I'm starting by applying this perfect base all over the eyelids and on the lower lash line as well. Moving on, I'm using the Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in the shade Soft Blend, and I'm applying this beautiful peachy nude shade all over the eyelids, making sure that all the edges are very well blended. Using the lighter shade in the palette right now, I'm defining the lower lash line as well. And last but not least, I'm using this Bone shade underneath the brow just to clean up the look. Now on to the part that everybody was looking for. Here I'm using the black liner, and looking straight in the mirror, I start creating my shape. Once that's done, you only have to fill in everything and then go towards the inner corner of the eye. The super fine tip of this eyeliner helps a lot because it allows you to create very precise lines, and it's also very easy to use. Another plus is that you can twist the bottom of the liner in order to distribute the product however you want to. I'm finishing off the look by brushing up the brows and using a nude lip liner. And the last step of this tutorial is applying this beautiful creamy lipstick all over your lips, blending the edges with the brush or with your fingers. This look is so easy to achieve and everybody can wear it. So if you recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me and Maven Beauty so that we can see your beautiful work. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of this tutorial.